Your truck is a key tool to help you get the job done, and some daily jobs require more than what your truck bed can handle, especially oversized loads. Make your truck even more useful with CURT's Universal Truck Bed Extender. This convenient attachment allows you to add valuable space and increase the potential to what your truck can haul. Got a 6-foot truck bed? Extend it to over 8 feet, and 8-foot truck beds to over 10 feet. Perfect for those real big jobs. To install, align the included brackets with your tailgate latches for a custom fit, attach the side rails, and install the rear folding gate. It's that easy. A universal 3-piece design fits most full-size trucks with short or long beds. Use it when you need it. It easily installs without drilling or bed modifications and quickly disassembles for compact storage. The innovative pin-latch system allows the rear folding gate to swing down out of the way for convenient loading, and when you're ready to hit the road, it latches securely in place until you're ready to unload. The truck bed extender is constructed from strong tubular steel and has an attractive carbide black powder coat finish for enhanced durability. Go tackle those big jobs with an extended truck bed and get ready to bring it with the truck bed extender from CURT.